Hello, my name is Dr. Will Gray, and today we're going to discuss how to fix weak hips. In the video that you see in front of you, we have a client here who has weak hips that are affecting his groin and his back when he plays basketball. So, what we're doing in this particular video, we're strengthening his hips by doing what we call a standing hip abduction. And if you notice, his foot is not touching the ground. The reason that we're doing that with this exercise is because we want to promote all the contractions at the hip that he actually is standing on, and the one that's actually moving in this exercise in order to increase stability, which in turn would help strengthen the muscles that are responsible for stabilization and decrease his back pain with activity as well as his growing pain. In the next video you see, we're doing a stability exercise here also. And this stability exercise is a little bit different. We're really working on some core activation with this one, where we have an actual ball in his right hand that you can't see. So when his left foot is off this pad, his right hand actually has a weight in it. And when he alternates, he switches the ball over to that other hand in order to promote some stability and some core activation. And by doing this, once again, we're helping with his back strength in order to help him have better um, results with actual activity and not having all that post activity tightness and pain that you would normally experience. If you were able to learn something from this um, video today, please like, share, and subscribe. And be on the lookout for more videos and tips that we have, as well as check the description because we have a free how to stop back pain guide that we're just giving to people who maybe have some discomfort with their back. We have about 4 different tips that they can use in that to help relieve that pain. And if you have any questions or want to know something else, you can always reach out to us. Thank you.